Here are the main places for parents to use in Schoology. From your parent account, you can access the parent information group. If you click on resources, you will see lots of school, PTO, and CYO information. Click on updates to see the latest news that might have been posted for the school. To view your child's screen, you click on your name in the top corner and switch to one of your children. This brings up the same view that your child has. So you use that drop-down menu to be able to switch between your account and your child's account. You want to go to the courses menu and you will see all of their subjects. Look for the homeroom class. In homeroom, you want to click on updates to see any information the teacher has put on the screen. Some teachers also use materials to add photo albums. Finally, use the calendar icon at the top of your screen to look at the school calendar. Calendar is available from both parent view and student view.